Hello viewers, in this video today I am going to show you how to make or create an online order form using Google Forms. First log in your Gmail account and click Google Apps option. Then you will find Google Forms, click on it and click blank page. This is an untitled form. Type here your form name, order form. Here you can type your form description, type your form description and as untitled question, type your question name, we will choose multiple choice. Here you can choose short answer, paragraphs, check boxes, dot dot and other option. Multiple choice. Type your product name, this is the record option. If you on the record option, it is mandatory to fill the field on it and click add section. Here we will add shipping and billing details. Here also you can describe and click plus icon, add question, quantity. Here you choose short answer, open and click plus icon, add question, delivery date required, add question, delivery address, short answer, add question, street address, short answer, city, short answer, country, short answer, name, okay. Now click preview option. This is our form. If you fill the first section, then we will go next section. Okay, click next option, quantity, time, delivery address, street address, city, country, name, email and click submit. Here we can check who order our product and click send option. You can send this from via mail or you can create short URL and share this URL. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.